Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is a Luxe Elite luxury fifth wheel, 42 MD with the Brazilian interior. Just wanted to give you a real quick walkthrough of this beautiful unit. This has the mid-den area that you can do multi-purposes in this area. You can put a bunk in here, or this has a jackknife sofa that goes out into a bed. The washer and dryer is located in this area also. Just a beautiful unit. This is actually for sale in our inventory. So if you want to take a look at it, it is 10147 on our inventory. So hey, give us a call, ask us about this unit, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.